Hello, I'm Carrie Mann here at Plant High School. This is my 19th year at Plant. I am the physical education department head and also the girls basketball coach. I teach Access Hope early in the morning and then several Hope classes, and I also have a research class. I'm in a lot of different rooms. I have a classroom over in the two-story building, the West Wing. It's 603. And I also have a class in the driver's ed room, which is 510, but my favorite classrooms are the gymnasium and anywhere outside. We will cover a lot of different topics this year in Hope, including all things health, and we'll also talk a lot about personal fitness. What are you going to need for my classes? You're going to need classroom materials. We do spend a couple of days in the classroom with Hope. And then some comfortable clothes to work out in and some great athletic shoes. So, the materials are the same things that you're going to need in all of your other classrooms, except we're going to need some workout clothes. Our expectations here at Plant High School and our physical education department: a great attitude, a hard work ethic, and this year, as always, we're going to add some patience and some flexibility into those expectations. The thing I'm looking most forward to is the day that we can walk around in public without this guy. I can't wait to meet you. I'm looking forward to the 2020-21 school year. Go Panthers!